In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Xero. If you've created an invoice by mistake or no longer need it, Xero makes it straightforward to remove, so long as the invoice hasn't been fully approved or paid. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few tips to keep things tidy and accurate. First, open Xero and sign into your organization as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the navigation and head to Sales. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming in from your customers, so it's the right place to manage and clean up invoices. Inside Sales, select Invoices. This opens the full list of sales invoices in your account. At the top of the page, you'll see tabs that organize invoices by status. To delete an invoice, it must be in either draft or awaiting approval. Those two statuses are editable because they haven't been finalized in your accounts yet. Draft means you're still working on it. Awaiting approval means it's been entered but not officially approved. Anything beyond that, such as approved, awaiting payment, or paid, cannot be deleted. That's intentional, because once an invoice is part of your official records, Xero protects your audit trail. Choose the Draft or Awaiting Approval tab, then locate the invoice you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the contact, date, and amount. Accuracy here is important because deletion is permanent for these statuses. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to find it quickly without scrolling. Open the invoice if you want a final look, or select it directly from the list. When you're sure, click Delete. Xero will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm, and the invoice will be removed immediately from your draft or awaiting approval list. A couple of helpful notes as you finish up. If you don't see the delete option, it usually means the invoice isn't in a deletable status. That's expected behavior. Also, if you're collaborating with a team, it's a good habit to communicate why an invoice was removed so everyone stays aligned. After deletion, you'll notice the invoice no longer appears in your invoice list or related totals in those tabs. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Xero by navigating to Sales, selecting Invoices, heading to the Draft or Awaiting Approval tab, and confirming the delete action. Thanks for watching, and keep your records clean and simple.